Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, you should just slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, or just to hold for a while the screen. It doesn't matter. And here you'll see the transitions section. Just now you can select one from this available transitions here, animations. I'll go with a roll one, for example. Then just click here to apply, click to the home button. And now, as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation. If you want to go back again, just tap here to the transitions and switch it to the default, click apply, and as can you see, we just successfully change it back to the default animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.